SVR. Aw, fuck. Aw, shit.
Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, Columbia,
Here we go.
Tuscarawas. Southern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Stark County in northeastern Ohio until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Alliance, or 14 miles west of Salem, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Ohio, Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Stark County in northeastern Ohio until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Alliance, or 14 miles west of Salem, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Canton, Youngstown, Warren, Salem, Columbiana, Boardman, Alliance, Niles, North Canton, Louisville, Campbell, Hubbard, Canfield, Cortland, Newton Falls, Sebring, Minerva, Lordstown, Hartville, and Vienna Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning, Portage, Stark, and Trumbull.